Today's video, I'm going to be making a more elaborate Christmas display. You're going to need some poinsettias, some evergreen that has some pine cones with berries on it, and a vase. Be back with the video. Hello, welcome to Linda's Flower Arrangements. My name is Linda. But before I get started with the video, I want to give everyone a big thank you for helping me out with my channel by making suggestions. If you have any more suggestions, comment below. I will always listen to your comments. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the video. First thing you want to do is pick out your vase, the one that you want to use. This is the one I'm using. The next thing you want to do is make the arrangement. It's very easy. I put the poinsettias in here first. Then next to those, I'll put this one in next, and then I'll put this one in last. That's arrangement. I'll show you a better view of it. That is a better view of it. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day. Thank you.